Just stop talking. For once.
I see you at peace. I see you happy. I see you loving like you've never loved before.
I love him.
Love. Do you even know what love is, Francis?
I know it's not an answer to anything. But love is a witness. Reggie sees me. And I see him. Who are you to refuse that?
I love him.
You are 17 years old. You don't know anything about love.
Oh, and you do? You don't look at Daddy the way I look at Noah. You don't touch or laugh. You don't play. You don't know anything about love. Noah?
Love awakens the soul to act.
That's not fair. Quoting Dante to me. Will you write me a happy song sometime? I need a laugh.
But what if I don't feel happy? Happy?
Your problem is that you're not happy being sad. But that's what love is, Cosmo. Happy sad.
I love him.
And I don't know if he cares.
I don't know if he cared.
I've been looking in completely the wrong place.
What do you mean?
Because I don't think the truth about men can be found in a book. If I can get a few of these men to open up with real stories about their desires and their fears, then I can begin to get answers.
Okay, and what is it you want answers to?
Well,
No, I don't need to know. But you do.